Welcome to Vita student, the Tinlings, in the vibrant city of Liverpool, an extraordinary place where inspiration meets education and comfort intertwines with style. Nestled in the heart of Liverpool, on the prestigious Cross Hall Street, Vita student, the Tinlings, offers a wide range of studio apartments designed with your needs in mind. Each room is fully furnished with a comfortable bed, ensuite bathroom, a private study desk, spacious wardrobes, and convenient wall-mounted shelves. But that's not all. The property also features top-notch communal amenities. Immerse yourself in a serene study space, break a sweat at the fully equipped on-site gym, or unwind and socialize in the cozy coffee lounge. With on-site laundry facilities and bike storage, the Tinlings has got you covered on all fronts. Need to reach Liverpool John Moores University? Just hop on a bus or train and you'll be there in a mere 14 minutes. And for all you creators out there, attending the SAE Institute is just a quick 7-minute journey. When it's time to tantalize your taste buds, Sultan's Palace, a heaven for lovers of Indian cuisine, is just a 3-minute walk away. So why wait? Don't miss out on the opportunity to experience the little joys of life while studying in Liverpool. Book your spot today through amberstudent.com.